Alright, today in a quick speed shop, we're going to do a walk around and drive of my 1931 Ford Model A Coupe. So let's get at it. Alright, this is a 31 Coupe. Now it's a 5-window coupe, but originally this was a sport coupe, which would have had an all canvas roof and no quarter windows here. And what I did was I went and I built my own steel top for this car. I took sedan doors, door tops like this, I chopped them and channeled them down and made these quarter windows. And these are 3031 pickup roof side pieces here. The back half is a regular Model A coupe roof. I got the stock visor here. In the center of the roof is a 75 Camaro piece of sheet metal, and then another piece of sheet metal I handmade in the center. But I've made it into a 5-window steel coupe. Sometimes I call it a square window coupe because the windows are perfectly square, and you guys have Model A's and know the window is usually shaped like a capital D, where it's rounded on the backs like this. But this car is the only one where the window is completely square. And then I took a piece of steel rod and I made a body line here, which is flared out, and I painted the roof a different color. So I'm trying to mimic like the two-tone roof they would have done on a special coupe from 28 or 29 or a business coupe. So I kind of did that, a little bit of flare. But the rest of the body is original paint. It's been painted once. It was black car originally, and then it's got white primer on it, a gray primer, and that's been painted again in pinstripe. So when I found this car, it was on a 28 AR chassis, and the top was cut off, the tops of the doors are cut off, and they were stick welded shut with no hinges. So I went and I blew this whole car apart. I put new sub rails in it, fixed this door. It's got a replacement door on the passenger side. Put new sub rails in it, had the car completely apart, and rehung all the sheet metal and put it back together. It's on an original Model A frame. It's actually two frames. I lengthened it 7.5 inches or so because I'm running a spring behind 38 rear axle, and I'm running a 36 front axle with split wishbones and I-beam, 36 I-beam with split wishbones. I got the wide 5 drums. I got what are they? I got 39 hydraulic backing plates on here, so I'm running 39 hydraulic brakes with the 36 to 39 wide 5 wheels. The backs are 38s. I think these are 36s, I think, on the front here. But running Guide 682 headlights. The car is 31. I got the 31 grill shell, and I got an accessory grill guard on here to protect the radiator. Under the hood, I'm running a Ford 2.3 liter Mustang motor. This is out of an 88 Mustang. It was originally fuel injected, and I went and I removed the fuel injection. I put on a 79 intake manifold and a Holley 2-barrel carburetor. I've got the 2-barrel carburetor, like I said. I got this old style air cleaner on there. Just a internally stock engine with about 120,000 miles on it. I'm running the matching T5 transmission with it, and I converted the 38 rear end to open drive, so it's got an open drive shaft. Everything on the exterior of this car is pre-1948. You can see on this side of the car, I made a little lake pipe here out of an old GM catalytic converter flange. It's got 3 bolts, and the pipe comes off for lake pipe. I'm running 616 tires on the front and 650 16s on the back. Running these knobby mud tires here, truck tires. Right on the back of the car, I'm running a louvered Model A deck lid. I think 38, 39 Chevy deck lid hinges here. I'm running a 42 to 47 Buick taillights, which are extremely hard to find, in decent shape. It took me over a year to find enough parts to make 2 good lights for here. I'm running a license plate light off a 40 Cadillac hearse. And then in here, I've made a little trunk down below the trunk here. There's a full-size spare and battery. I've got a flip top. This was an old flip top radiator cap I've turned into a fuel cap. The gas tank is in the front of the trunk, and it's an L, and it goes down and goes under the rear seat. We got a little lake style push bar here in the center. I got my Herbert Hoover license plate topper for President Herbert Hoover. Single side exhaust here.
So that's basically it. Let's go ahead and we'll take it for a spin.